Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here's the problem. Convert the equation 3x plus 2y equals 12 to slope-intercept form. Then identify the slope and y-intercept and sketch the graph using these values. Now let us work through the solution step by step. We want to rewrite the equation in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. Here, m represents the slope and b represents the y-intercept. We need to isolate y on the left side. We start with 3x plus 2y equals 12. To isolate y, we subtract 3x from both sides. This gives us 2y equals negative 3x plus 12. Now we divide every term by 2. 2y divided by 2 is y. Negative 3x divided by 2 stays as negative 3 halves x, and 12 divided by 2 is 6, so y equals negative 3 halves x plus 6. Comparing our equation to y equals mx plus b, we can read off the slope m equals negative 3 halves, and the y-intercept b equals 6. This tells us the line crosses the y-axis at the point 0, 6. To help us draw the graph, let's also find the x-intercept. We set y equal to 0 and solve. 0 equals negative 3 halves x plus 6. Adding 3 halves x to both sides gives 3 halves x equals 6. Multiplying both sides by 2/3 gives x equals 4. So the x-intercept is the point 4, 0. Here is the graph of y equals negative 3 halves x plus 6. The line crosses the y-axis at 0, 6 and the x-axis at 4, 0. Because the slope is negative, the line falls from left to right, going down 3 units for every 2 units we move to the right. To summarize, the standard form equation 3x plus 2y equals 12 converts to slope-intercept form y equals negative 3 halves x plus 6. The slope is negative 3 halves, which means the line goes downward to the right. The y-intercept is 6 at the point 0, 6, and the x-intercept is 4 at the point 4, 0. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.